As somebody who's strictly dated Jamaicans only for the last 10 years, I know they got me in a fucking chokehold. But I'm going to tell y'all the 5 pros about dating a Jamaican, okay?
Let's stay tuned. We're going to have fun with the channel. You feel me? So this is a new channel, so subscribe. Anyway, so the video people are with this Jamaican girl. Yeah, you see her right there. So sit down in her car and all them things that she have all the reason she come out and tell her 5 pros. You see me? I say 5 pros about dating a Jamaican man. You feel me? I say more here on the comment section. More here on if she right. You see me? I say apparently she's American, right? She's not a Jamaican. She's American, and she make you know say, yo, watch her now. Yeah, Jamaican man tough. So we are gonna make a hear video and on a year you tell me if I choose she tell in the comment section. She said she go have a cons in a part 2 in that video. And you can also comment in the comment section and make me hear if you're interested in that part 1, tell me if she have me see if she have part 2, we look for it and find it. You see me? But I could listen to where she have to say no. Wait. I'll find the video though.
As somebody who's strictly dated Jamaicans only for the last 10 years, I know they got me in a fucking chokehold. But I'm going to tell y'all the 5 pros about dating a Jamaican, okay? They got me in a chokehold, but wait. I'm going to tell you why. Okay, so they're very manly. They're not scared of hard work.
Yeah.
They will work.
Mm-hmm.
If you get the right ones, they will definitely work. And there's a lot of them are the right ones. They work hard. They will cut the yard with a machete. All that grass cut down with a machete. They're not scared of working hard. They're not scared of putting things up, fixing things, helping, doing stuff. From the time they get up out of their beds in the morning, they're sweeping the yard. They're making their beds. They're sweeping out the house. They're doing all of these things before 7 o'clock in the morning.
Check.
So, they're very manly men. I love that, okay?
Yes.
Hard workers. Number 2, they're resourceful.
True.
If you have a problem, and they're gonna fix it for you. It could be the least littlest thing. I remember my foot filer broke, and I was about to throw it away. My ex-boyfriend was, give it to me. I gave it to him. It was a little wheel or something. I don't know about this shit. There was something missing that was broken. He made something out of nothing. He fixed it.
Right.
And it worked better than it worked before. I had a new foot file. I was about to spend another $30, but I didn't have to because he was resourceful. Love that.
Love that.
It's been many occasions where they've saved my ass. They've taken care of me in ways that I needed it. Okay? I know this is the one y'all was waiting on. They're amazing lovers. I don't care what nobody want to say. Argue with your mother. They are amazing lovers. Not all of them. I haven't slept with all the Jamaican men. So I can't tell you all of them are Jamaican. I know some of them are trash. They're men. But for the most part, they're amazing lovers. And I'm not talking about the bam, slam, hard, aggressive, raw, shit. No. Like they are whining in and on and okay, let's move on. Next.
So we deal with it.
They can take care of themselves.
That's for sure.
That's a big plus. Like I know American men, no shade to them. They can't cook. They can't take care of themselves. They can make a pack of noodles. I'm not saying all of them, but god damn, it's so much requirements and so much stress. It's like taking up a fucking child that you have to take care of. I know for a fact my man is gonna get up in the daytime. He's gonna make sure the house is clean. I will come home to a clean house. They're not dirty. They love cleanliness. If I'm stressed, I don't have to worry. They take care of you. They take care of the home and they take care of you. I don't even have to lotion my own body around a Jamaican man. He does that. He does that. It's like princess treatment 24/7. And I'm not just talking about the Jamaicans that live out of the country, because people are saying, yeah, he lotioning your body because he want a visa. I'm talking about the Jamaican men that live here too.
Okay. Yes, we are.
They cook good.
Sure do.
They cook good. You don't have to cook. Sometimes you don't have to cook. They're amazing. And lastly, this is the most...
what is it?
The accent.
Wow.
It get me weak in my knees every time. All I just want to hear is Wagwan, Mama. I'm just...
Wagwan, Mama.
I love you.
Okay, thank you.
I love you.
Thank you.
Yeah, but those are the 5 pros of dating a Jamaican man. I love Jamaican men, but there's also some cons about them. We're gonna talk about the cons next. That's in another video. Follow me for more.
All right, people. She said follow her for more. So she said she gonna talk about the cons in her next video. So when me think said, yeah, 90% away she said, yeah, 99% away she said, yes, that's a job me stay. Me don't know about somebody Jamaican man there, cause me not date man. But when she has said, you feel me, I say, me can relate to that as far as me do how me treat people and all these things. You get to me, I say, so you know, can see say, and she's American, and she say, yo, watch out, nobody feel like say I Jamaican them where they are Jamaica. You see, because some man say, oh, the reason why the Jamaican them are treating us and go on so nice. I show them want visa for come America, and when they get the visa for come America, they don't want it again, they everything change. No for we come America and come and treat you no good until somehow no Americans we want to walk over Jamaica and them now. Somehow no want to use certain things against them and all these things, even though some of them come over there and be worthless. But they are the good Jamaicans, them hard working Jamaican over there. You hear me talk? Hard Jamaican worker, we get up. We say my man it we love cleanliness is godliness. And if you let me tell you this lady, if you don't want a Jamaican man when you love clean, kick him out of the house. If I don't want a Jamaican man we just make on have on the house nasty and stink and not even tell them say yo brush up on this so the place look someone and all them things they get rid of them. You see me I say that we Jamaican, you see me I say unless some evil if we reach out in our life, we still like to clean up around with. You see me? And if we in our house and we live alone or that just we and me woman live alone in our house. You see me I say as we get up here see we are clean up man. Yeah man. Clean up, we sweep out. You see me, I say, mama sweep and you see me come like say, yo, you see me, we are going to deal with the thing better how them sweep up the place because someone just pass the broom and stay. So we like clean this stuff. Yeah, because so we're going to feel meditation. So mama, alright. She have the 5 things them correct. Some of them when you say we chop a yard with a machete still. Me don't know about the machete business. They don't get lawnmower. Weed whacker. Them think they're fine in the 80s. Back in the 80s them. You see me I say my father and probably for your father and all them think they used to chop a yard with machete. But not right now my friend. You get me I say? But a good topic. So viewers and subscribers, maybe here in the comment section want to think about this guys and tell me if you don't want to see part few, make we go dig up part few. As me telling you, we are going to start bring some of them videos over here and all these things. We are going to dig up and see what I want. You feel me? Remember to do it right, like, share, subscribe and follow me on all of my YouTube channel them. You see it? Yes man, follow me on our YouTube channel. We are going to do this video and a long video today. This video probably be about 8 minutes video. You feel me? I say cause I topic them we find. And all them thing the people. So big up to all the people them who subscribe and big up to the good viewers them, everybody who has stream my channel and all them thing there. Is the people and people wanna stay focused over there in our immigration world. You see me I say good things are coming. Me hear them a pass out like them supposed to pass rules that you know them are gonna start make people in our country over 5 years can get obtain them papers and all these things. Them have to pay $7,000. Now I gotta check up the news there and see what going on. But big up on yourself regardless. Good viewers, on stay focused. I'm out.